Hello again, ciao. This is George here from Max Matsunaura Mitsubishi, here with the 2016 Mitsubishi Lancer ES. And I wanted to show you this one because this one has the sun and sound package. So this one's going to give you the power sunroof. You're going to get the touchscreen, the backup camera with the touchscreen display unit, and a Rockford Fallsgate sound system. So again, that's part of your sun and sound package. USB connection, Bluetooth. You're going to get all the controls for the stereo right on the steering wheel. Power windows, power door locks, power side mirrors. You're also going to get the 16-inch alloy wheels from Mitsubishi. And again, you're going to get your backup camera, which is right here. And there you have it. Again, just wanted to give you a better idea, ciao. Let you know that I have 2016 Lancers available and ready to go. So any questions, feel free to give me a call back at 630-898-6000. Again, this is George here at Max Matsunaura Mitsubishi. Thank you.